How would it feel if you could set up one special site once and get paid over and over again without any paid traffic and without making any products? A site like this is not just an ordinary one. It is a site that generates you daily passive income without expenses or hassles. Such a site automatically brings buyers to itself without your involvement. An easiest and most hands-free passive income system with massive free traffic. Let me explain how it works. We sometimes see, for example, two Facebook posts that are identical and yet one went viral with thousands of likes and shares while the other barely got a like. Even when both posts have similar numbers of subscribers. What explains the difference in traffic generated by the two? It's pretty obvious. To go viral and capture attention and generate traffic, the content we post needs to be new. You have to be the first to share some recent news or new information. Engagement and massive traffic occurs when someone is browsing on Facebook, for example, and finds our post about something he wasn't aware of or hadn't seen. The power is in the first to strike, and it can generate thousands of shares and clicks. That's why we created Scoop. Scoop gives us access to the latest trending news that we can publish immediately to our site, Spin, making the content unique, and then to post this fresh article to social media from our site. You've posted the newest article just out online, without anyone knowing about this content yet. You are the one who gives the first punch with this post. The majority of people look for fresh news, new articles, and when they see yours, they will click on it and visit your site. As a result, it generates a lot of traffic, leaving the competition in the dust. There are a lot of affiliate offers set up on your site, and this massive audience will generate huge profits. Using these offers of favorite affiliate platforms like ClickBank and Warriors Plus, beta testers have made $200 to $500 daily. 3 simple steps are all it takes. Step 1. Get access to Scoop. Step 2. Your site is ready. Now pick one of the latest news and post to your site and social media. Step 3. Refresh your page in the morning and check your profits. It's really that simple. Scoop sites are created for total beginners to get up and running in less than 5 minutes, and for truly passive income where you profit forever in just one setup. Remember, this isn't rocket science, nor is it hard work. But you're probably wondering how much it's going to cost you. It must be expensive. Let's get right to it. When we are done developing Scoop sites, we considered charging monthly for access, and we thought that this would be a very fair price. I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse. Instead of charging you per month, I'm going to offer Scoop sites for a low one-time fee that everyone can afford. Everyone will have an equal opportunity to make money online, and it's our way of giving back to the community. But there's a catch. Of course, there are some strings attached. If you want to qualify for the special discount, you must act now. We will close the doors once all the spots are taken. If you return later, you may lose your spot. What's the point of doing that when you could act now without risk? And speaking of risks, there is none. With our rock-solid day money-back guarantee, you're covered. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose, and the best thing you can do for yourself and your wallet is to click the button below right now to get access to Scoop at the cheapest rates. The decision will quickly pay for itself. Take the plunge and secure access by clicking the button below right now. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.